Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve Excel chapter 4 assessment Riverwood Reality. Basically, this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of my IT lab course. I will solve this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignment, if you want me to do your complete course including Excel assignments, Word assignments or PowerPoint assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID given in the description of this video. My email and WhatsApp is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences or writing assignments or programming assignment as well. I have been doing courses for students since 2015 and you can hire me to produce a grade for you. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video. And if you have any question, please leave a message on WhatsApp that is showing at the bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp direct chat link is also given in the description of this video. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. Title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 4 mid-level 2 Riverwood Reality. At start of the instruction you can see the project description. So this is the project description. Read this project description to get an idea about the assignment. Read this to get an idea about the assignment, but this has nothing to do with the assignment. Main part of the assignment is starting from the step 1. So I will start this assignment from step 1. So step 1 is start Excel. Download and open the file name. Exp19 Excel chapter 4 assessment homes. Grader has automatically added your last name to beginning of the file. So we are supposed to download the Excel workbook. This is the Excel workbook that we are supposed to use to solve this assignment. I have already downloaded this and you can download from your My IT Lab dashboard. So this is the file where we are supposed to apply all these instructions to get this assignment done. So first step is just about downloading the file. So I have already downloaded this one and you can download from your My IT Lab dashboard. So we will move to step number 2. Step number 2 is freeze the pen so that column labels do not scroll off screen. So we are supposed to freeze the pen so that column labels do not scroll off screen. So we will simply click on cell A1 and go to the view tab. This is the view tab and this is the freeze pen and we will click on freeze pen and you can see that I have frozen the pen and column labels are there for this one. So that is step number 2. So let's move to step number 3 now. So step number 3 is it is saying that convert the data to a table and name the table sales. So we are supposed to convert this given data into a table and then we are supposed to give the table name that should be sales. So click anywhere in this data and go to insert and click on table. So this data will be converted into the table. And now we are supposed to change the name of table to sales, and you can go to the table design, and this is the property tab, and you can see the table name. So we are supposed to make this as sales and click enter or press enter. So now we have converted the data into a table, and we have given the table name that should be sales. So that is all about step number 3. So let's move to next step, that is step number 4 now. So step number 4 is apply purple table style. So apply purple table style dark tan to the table. Purple table style dark tan to the table. So we will go to the dark tan. This one. Purple table style dark tan. So this is purple table style dark tan, and we are supposed to apply this one to the table. So next step is remove duplicates record from the table. Excel should find and remove a duplicate record. So now we are supposed to remove the duplicates record from the table. So we will simply go to our Excel sheet and we will remove the duplicates record from the table. So click anywhere in the table and then go to the data tab. This is the data tab, and you can see a box with the cross on it, and it is for remove duplicates record, and you can see the title for this box, remove duplicates. So we will click on this one and we will and 8 duplicates values found and removed. 81 unique values remain. Note that count may include empty cell spaces, etc. So we have removed 8 duplicates record, and it was already mentioned that Excel should find and remove 8 duplicates record. So we have removed 8 duplicates record from this table. So let's move to next step, that is step number 6. So we have completed 5 steps so far, and I am doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. So next step is step number 6. Add a new column. In the column, I name days on the market. So we are supposed to add a new column. Add this one, and the name should be days on market. So I will simply type days on market and press enter, and you can see that a new name has been added to the table, that is days on the market. Use unqualified structure references to calculate the days on the market. So we can calculate the days on market by subtracting the list date from the sale date. Set the column width to 14. So we are supposed to count the days on market, that is list sale date minus listing date, and we got the days on the market. And now we are supposed to change the width of this column to 14, this one. So I have calculated the days on the market, then I have changed the width of the column. So that is completed. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 7 now. Apply a total row to sales table. Set the selling price and days on market totals to the average. Now we are supposed to add a total row to the table. So then we are supposed to make the selling price total and the days on market totals to the average. So we can add the total row to the end of the table by simply going to the table design and check this box that is showing the total row in the table style options, and you can see a total row. So days on the market should be average, and then the second one is selling price. So selling price is selling agent, this price, sale date, selling price is this one, and we are supposed to make this average. So we got the average for the selling price and the days on the market. So we were supposed to add a total row to the table, and then we were supposed to total the average of the selling price and the days on the market. Step number 8 is use quick analysis to apply the default top 10% conditional formatting to the column F. So we are supposed to use a quick analysis to apply the default top 10% conditional formatting to column F. This is the quick analysis tool, and we are supposed to apply the top 10%. You can see that this is the conditional formatting top 10%. So this is the conditional formatting that we are supposed to apply to column F only. So I will only apply to column F now. So this is the column F and top 10%, and you can see that it has selected top 10% in column F. So that is all about step number 8. So we have completed 8 steps so far. So step number 9 is apply traffic 3 light on rammed conditional formatting icon set to column I. Set the icon to display green for homes that sold within 45 days, yellow for 46 to 90 days, and red to homes that took more than 90 days. So basically we are supposed to apply the traffic icon set to the column I, and if it will be less than 45 days it will show green, if it will more than 45 days it will show yellow, and if it is more than 90 it will show red. So we will simply select this and go to the new role. So we will select the icon set. So if it is greater than 90 it will show red, and if it is greater than or equal to 46 days it will show yellow, and if it is less than 46 days, mean within 45 days it will show green. So we have applied the traffic signal set to the column I. So that is all about step number 9. So we have completed 9 steps so far, and I am showing you step by step how you can complete those steps. So let me move to next step, that is step number 10. Filter the data to only display sales by the selling agent. So this is the selling agent that we are supposed to select. So we will filter this. We will go to the selling agent, deselect, select all, and only select that is given in the instructions. So this is the selling agent that we are supposed to use. Now sort the table in ascending order by city. Now we are supposed to sort this by ascending order by the city, then set the print area. So basically I have shown you this complete assignment. Now I am going to show you the final version for this assignment, and you will apply all the remaining steps and you will get a final version that I am going to show you right now. If your final version is matching to this one, then you are going to get 100 out of 100. Let me show you the final version now. So this is the final version. When you will apply all these steps, then you will get a final version like this. So if your assignment is matching to this one, then you are going to get 100 out of 100. So I have completed this assignment step by step. And if you want to do this assignment, you can follow this video, you can watch this video, uh, and you can solve this video on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can ask me to do this assignment. You can ask me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, or PowerPoint assignments. I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also comments to my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. So let me move to new video. Thank you so much.